Hi, my name is Miranda Kurtz. I'm a rising senior at UC Davis studying biomedical engineering. I was attracted to this internship because of all of the different programs ranging from education all the way to shadowing in the OR and obviously working with our designated startup. So I've gotten to do all those things and it hasn't disappointed.
Hi, my name is Kari Opadal. I studied at Mississippi State University where I graduated this past December in biomedical engineering. When I first heard about the Lefteroff internship, I had just graduated. I wasn't sure if I really wanted to stay within engineering and work in industry, which was something I hadn't had firsthand experience in, or to pursue medicine and maybe go to medical school. When I read what the internship was, it just seemed like the perfect thing I really needed to give me more perspective.
Hi, my name is Tanner Crosslawn. I just graduated from UC Davis in biomedical engineering, and I'm entering a master's program at UC Berkeley in mechanical engineering. My host company was Boomerang Medical. So Boomerang Medical works on a neuromodulation device for treating IBD. I kind of had two main projects this summer. My first one was a bit more on the regulatory side. So Boomerang needed some help with their efficacy and safety data. So I helped kind of compile that together for future regulatory filings that they may be submitting. I also worked on a tool that would kind of assist the surgeons when they're implanting the device such that they get better results in a shorter amount of time without hurting the patient.
I've been working with Novicuff this summer, which is a maternal health company working to combat preterm birth. And this summer I've been working on training kits to help them prepare for their clinical trial. And I've cleaned the lab and done some investigational reports. Honestly, lots of different things, and they've been keeping me busy.
Hi, my name is Tony Kaluza. I'm a rising senior at Vanderbilt University, and I'm studying human and organizational development. So I was lucky enough to be working with Andrew Cleland, our CEO here at Fogarty. He had me assigned to a couple different projects, the first of which was regulatory focused. So I did some work with a large database and a large data set with the goal of improving biocompatibility outcomes. And that was really inspiring and also driving because that's how Andrew started. He started in regulatory.
Getting in the OR was such an amazing experience to get to see. I actually got to see a Da Vinci surgery, a hysterectomy. So to get to see the device in action was super cool, and it made me want to actually work maybe within the OR, either as like a sales engineer starting out or something like that. So it's definitely influenced my experience here.
One of the most unique things was watching the procedure and hearing the word Fogarty mentioned, and I turned next to the person I was shadowing. I was like, did you hear that? And sure enough, they were talking about using the Fogarty catheter or balloon catheter. So it was just such a great experience to kind of see how tied in innovation is with procedures like this, and to just see how much of an impact your device is, and really grew my appreciation for being here at Fogarty.
During high school, I have actually had some experience shadowing. This was completely different. We were downstairs in the hospital, moving between ORs, scrubbing in and out. I was lucky enough to watch 3 sternotomies, 3 open heart surgeries over the 2 weeks, two days that I shadowed, really. And that was, life-changing. When I was watching the 3rd one, I turned to my shadowing partner and I said I would do anything to be back in an OR watching somebody's heart beating. That might sound weird, but it's really inspiring. I'm now considering being a clinical rep or a sales rep for these devices so that I could get back in that OR and be a part of the whole thrill. My fellow interns and I had the fortune to go on a whole bunch of different adventures. We went to restaurants after work, we had barbecues at Fred's house, we went to Yosemite, and I turned my phone off completely for 2 days. And we really just got to know each other very, very well.
Hi, my name is Seth Khan. I am a 4th year at Georgia Tech studying biomedical engineering. One thing that I think I'm really leaving with this summer is just the connections to people who really, really care about my future. So mentors that I'll feel comfortable reaching out to about my next steps if I need help with finding an opportunity or just need a sounding board.
Hi, my name is Estrella Villalobos. I am a rising junior at SF State studying communications and minoring in journalism. I learned so much about myself, especially realizing that I love helping people and marketing. Coming in here, I was very nervous because I had no medical background. I wasn't a BME major, I was communications. And it made me realize how important it is to feel uncomfortable, to be in a place that you're not equally the same as everyone else, because it's important to be different.
Some of the highlights from this internship have been the wide range of activities that we've actually gotten to do. So I loved going on the field trips to Abbott and the Foundry and Intuitive. And I also, of course, loved being in the OR. So it honestly felt like I had 3 internships in one.
Simple answer, do it. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, what you're studying. If you've ever been interested in medicine, the people here are amazing. The experience here is amazing. It'll open doors for you that you didn't even know existed. I am now exploring career options that didn't exist in my mind 2 months ago. It's really an amazing, amazing experience, and the people here are top-notch.